Today we're going to make coleslaw sunflower salad. You'll need 14 ounces of coleslaw. We're going to use tarragon vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, sugar, romaine chicken flavored noodles, almonds, sunflower kernels, and green onions. First we're going to start with the dry ingredients. I'm going to put the cabbage in the container, the whole packet, and then we'll chop up our green onions. We have 5 chopped up green onions. We'll add that to the cabbage. Okay, we're going to add the chicken flavored romaine noodles to take out the flavoring pack. Set it aside. We're going to crunch up the noodles. Once those crunched up, we're going to add it to the cabbage. Now we're going to do 5 tablespoons of almonds, and we'll put them in the microwave for 30 seconds just to release the oils, and 3 tablespoons of sunflower nuts. Okay, so now we're going to add the packet of chicken seasoning that came with the ramen, and then we'll do a teaspoon of pepper and a teaspoon of salt. And then we're adding 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now we're going to be adding 3 tablespoons of tarragon vinegar. And then a half a cup of virgin olive oil. Then we'll mix that up. We have the salad dressing mixed up. We're going to go ahead and pour it over the salad mixture. Just do so much at a time. You can adjust how much you put on according to how wet the salad is. Okay, we added salad dressing to the salad mixture, mixed it up. Now we're going to let it marinate in the refrigerator for 20 minutes to absorb all the flavor. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.